Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious vanilla butter bundt cake. It's so yummy, it's delicious, it's fluffy and simple. All the ingredients will be in the link in the description as usual. Right now, you're going to add in your sugar and vanilla to your melted butter and you're going to mix till smooth. Then you're going to add in your eggs. After mixing your wet ingredients, add in your flour, baking powder and baking soda as well. Give everything a good mix till smooth. Once you've mixed everything, add a little splash of milk and mix everything again. Once your cake batter is done, pour it into a greased bundt pan. Make sure you grease it very well with butter / oil and flour and bake it. And then later on, you want to place a toothpick to ensure that it's properly cooked, and then you've got your cake. Now you guys know I can't end the video without showing you how the cake looks, so I'm going to show you the fluffiness of the cake. And there you got it, a light, fluffy vanilla butter bundt cake. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!